Hi everyone, welcome to Nelmar Kitchen. I'm your host, Nelson Andrade. On this episode, I'll be creating the traditional Madeira Island bread called Bolo de Caco. Can't wait to share this recipe with you, so vamos lá! When visiting Madeira Island, you can find this bread at almost every restaurant. Bolo de Caco is a Madeiran flatbread that is shaped like a cake. It is traditionally cooked on a flat stone slab, and you can serve this delicious warm bread with a spread of garlic butter and have this with any meal of your choice. You can also convert the Bolo de Caco into a Portuguese Madeira sandwich, which will be coming up in future episodes. While I got you, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below for future episodes at Nelmar Kitchen. You can also follow us on Instagram for feature stories, and why not join the conversation on our Nelmar Kitchen Facebook page. We'll see you there. Now let's start combining our yeast and warm water and let stand for about 5 minutes. Add the pre-baked sweet potato to the bowl and hand mix well together. Now add your salt to the mixture and continue on hand mixing. And finally, add the white flour and mix to form an elastic dough. Now add a little bit of water if you find the dough is too dry. Once you feel the dough being sticky and an elasticy type, create it as a ball and sprinkle some flour on top. Now cover and place in a warm area let it rise for 2 hours. Now create a small ball shape, add a little flour to make a non-stick dough and place to a side. Once you divide them into 6 groups, cover again, let it stand for another hour. For any Portuguese followers or Portuguese version of making this bread, you can check out my Aunt Graça's page. You'll find her link in the description down below. Muito obrigado, tia. Beijinho e braços. Now add the dough to a flat heat spread and rotate it every 5 minutes. And finally, cut this warm bolo and add some garlic butter and parsley and serve. Thanks again for watching Nelmar Kitchen. Until next time, beijinhos.